Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will talk about Beauty Cream. What Beauty Cream is, its correct method of use, its benefits, and finally, its side effects. Beauty Cream is manufactured by Focus Rules Company. It comes in a 15-gram pack and its price is around 190 Pakistani rupees, easily available at any medical store. Uses of Beauty Cream. This cream is used to treat dark spots, freckles, and sun-damaged skin. It helps remove melasma and dark patches on the skin. Melasma usually occurs in women aged between 20 and 50 years. It is a condition where brown or grayish patches appear on the face, especially on the cheeks, forehead, nose, and upper lip. It mostly appears during pregnancy due to hormonal changes, sunlight exposure, or excessive use of cosmetics. Beauty cream is commonly prescribed for melasma and freckles. Ingredients. It contains three main active ingredients. Number 1. Fluocinolone acetonide, a mild steroid that helps reduce redness, inflammation, and irritation. Number 2. Hydroquinone. It reduces melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color, and lightens dark spots. Number 3. Tretinoin or vitamin A. It speeds up skin cell renewal and enhances the effect of hydroquinone. Together, these three ingredients work to reduce dark patches and freckles effectively. How to use Beauty Cream. Before applying, wash your face with a mild soap or face wash and pat it dry gently. Take a pea-sized amount of the cream and apply it only on the affected areas, that is, dark spots or patches. Do not apply on the whole face. Use it only at night before going to bed. Do not use it during the daytime. Usually, doctors recommend using this cream for about 3 to 4 weeks only. Precautions. Avoid contact with eyes, lips, and inside the nose. If you have sensitive skin, consult your doctor before use. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should not use it without a doctor's advice. Side effects. Some common side effects may include mild burning or stinging sensation, redness of the skin, itching or slight irritation. Friends, if you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to our channel English Pharma, and share this video with your friends. Your support motivates us to bring more informative and interesting videos for you. Thank you.